Hello, welcome back to the channel. I had an idea the other day to cook something and I tried it out and it's all right. You won't find this recipe anywhere else, it's mine. It's a little bit different. It's some chicken wings cooked in a few spices and I'm going to add a touch of Italian Marsala wine to it and also some honey, and it really came out very nice. It's not a main meal, it's a snack. Cook it off, sit down and eat it while you're watching a film. Anyway, let me make it for you and I'll show you how to do it, and I'll see you later. First thing to do is to prep your chicken wings, and you want to do that by cutting the tips off of them. Just makes it easier to do the rest of it. Once you've done all these, what you do is you put this in some corn flour. If you've got one, get yourself a nice cleaver. Makes it easier, saves you belting up your best knife. Make sure after you've done that part that you wash your hands. You don't want chicken over everything. Now what you want to do is prepare this to go into the corn flour. So get some salt and season your chicken. Make sure it goes all over it, and then the same with some pepper. A good helping of black pepper all over it. This is going to be a nice spicy dish. Then once that's done, we're going to go in with some chili flakes. The amount you put on is dependent on how spicy you want it. So I have to keep with the family and not go too mad, because otherwise they accuse me of being cooking all just for me. And that's ready. Okay, now what we do is put them in the corn flour and coat them, and then it goes into the pan. So just pick them up, roll them about, nice and simple. That's it, and just repeat the process. First thing to do, get your pan on a medium heat, add in some oil of your choice. I'm using a bit of rapeseed. Right, we've done all the hard part, everything's prepped, so now we'll just add these wings into the pan. Don't have the pan too hot because you don't want to burn the flour. Make sure that you keep turning these. You want it cooked evenly all round. You don't want it to burn on any side. So just keep your eye on it and turn them over every few minutes. Right, I've got those cooked to that level. They're going to be finished off in the oven, so you just want it to be a little bit of a crispy topping there because of the corn flour. I'm going to drop in a few onions on the top just to give it a little bit of crunch. And then what we do is we then add in the Marsala wine. And a good glug of that goes over. Now, on a conventional gas oven, you just shake this about and flambe it. I'm going to try it with a blowtorch and see if it works on an induction. There we are. What we're doing there is burning off the alcohol. We want to taste the lovely taste of the Marsala, but we don't want all the alcohol in it. Right, now that that's burned off, what I'm going to do is add in some single cream on there. Not too much, just about a tablespoonful. This gives it a lovely coating. And then one more final step before we put this in the oven is to add in some honey. Now I've got a good teaspoon of honey there, and this gives it a nice little bit of stickiness. Right, what I'm going to do now that that is all cooked through is I'm going to transfer this into a metal pot before I put it into the oven. And obviously make sure it is a metal pot with no plastic parts. And we'll put this in the oven and then cook this off for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it will all cook in its juices. And we cook it with a lid on and we see how it comes out. Right, here's the main man, my chief taster, filmer, editor, and we're going to have a go at these and see what they're like. So hopefully they'll be as nice as when I've cooked them before.
They smell wicked, they smell really, really good.
They do smell good.
Marsala wing, I'm looking forward to
There
it.
you go, Jack, have a go.
I'm just going to get involved.
Have a go.
That's it. Go for the meaty bit. Right, let's see. Time will tell.
You can also do this with chicken breast or thighs as well. Doesn't have to be wings, it's just done wings because it's a lot cheaper and economy is the thing at the moment. What do you reckon?
Really good.
Yeah?
Different. Yeah.
Is it spicy or not too bad?
Got a little kick coming through on the aftertaste now, but the texture is what I really like.
Yeah.
I think that the flour definitely adds a bit of, what's the word? Thickness, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
To it. And then the honey is really nice and it all comes through. It's really nice. Level with flavours.
Good. Oh well, try it out yourself. Easy to make, very few ingredients, doesn't take long, and it's actually relatively healthy because it's fried a little bit, but it's finished off in the oven, and it's not too expensive to make. If you haven't got any Marsala wine, don't go to the expense of buying it. Use a bit of dry sherry if you've got it. If you haven't got it, go and nick it off your aunt. She's bound to have it.
That's it.
So
pinch it all. Normally, I know what you're thinking, I would eat these with my hands, but I have to handle a camera after this. So we're going with some etiquette and using a knife and fork, but yeah, Dad, really well done, mate.
good.
That's a really, really nice wing, different.
Okay.
Different.
All right, don't forget, please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all again next week for another video. See you soon.
Thank you, see you later.